Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a while ago, but want to get things updated here, as the chart is now sitting at a couple interesting areas. That first area is just simply put, a level where it's bounced before, and I'm also, want to get kind of this, little pattern here that's forming, and this is a poor, I guess. Yeah, I mean, sideways channel with, the downwards angle to it. But the main point is I don't want to get hung up in, semantics or anything like that. The main idea I'm trying to drive home is that the last, several times the price has been down around this area of the chart, there have been good little bounces. And once again, you can see that the price is, well, down around this area of the chart. Now, don't get me wrong, and, I wish trading was this easy, but just because the price has bounced, the last times, the price has been down around this area of the chart does not guarantee that the price is once again going to bounce. Now, would it be shocking to see the price bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all. And it's at least a rational thought to have. It's a logical, assumption to say, hey, you know what? I think this thing could bounce. All right, well, I can see why you would make that assumption based on how the price has, occurred in the past. Now, does that mean that assumption is guaranteed to occur? Like I said, of course not. But at least it's logical, at least it's rational. Case in point, when the price was just falling, at no point did it say, I wonder if the price is going to bounce. Why would you think that when all it was doing was, falling, and there wasn't any sort of other past history that showed things? So, but now at least it's not only showing a little bit of strength, but it makes sense why the price is kind of showing some strength, as it's, giving, where it's bounced from before. Now, in the event it does bounce up, that's where this upper trend line comes into play, and this is right around $1.15-ish, we'll call it. So that'll be the level where if the price gets up there, then you can start talking about a potential pattern breakout, and the pattern breakout would be getting up through that upper portion of it. But I'm probably getting a little too far ahead of ourselves. One step at a time, and the first step is not only just making sure that the price continues to stay above this lower trend line, but then it's a matter of making sure volume stays strong, and if the price can get some follow through, it'll be interesting to see how the price acts right up around that top portion of the trend line. So interesting day today, interesting location on the chart, and still a couple days left this week. Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.